get excited. Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my channel, and this little video is for you guys to see my favourite finishing brand, which is, do I have to say it, Odies oil. Very lucky, it was my birthday recently, and they very kindly, Odies Oil UK, sent me a beautiful cap which I'll wear all the time, and a cool t-shirt spreading the love of buff on, buff off. So those of you who still don't know what Odies oil is, this video is to help you guys who want to finish their products the same day they make them. I hear you put your hands up. Yes. Who's fed up of waiting days and days for things to dry, and then you find out you've got to sand it and start again because there's a few flies that have landed on it? Well, here is the problem solved. Odies oil is a beautiful wax, a universal finish. So if you see my other videos, I've used it on Welsh slate, I've used it on metal table legs, bench legs that I've made, I've used it on resin, I've used it on oak, I've used it on sapele. You'll see my other videos and you'll see why I use it. The reason I use it is because it takes an hour to dry. 1 hour to buff on, buff off. So if you make something like this, a beautiful resin serving platter, round table centerpiece, no sooner have you sanded it, another hour and it's ready to go out your shop. Now that, to me, is priceless. This product is worth the money. Please go and see it. www.odiesoil.co.uk. It's a really easy website to follow. They do a great starter pack where you can buy all the buffing pads and the buff on and buff off cloths. You can take it to the next level and go to your local car polish company and buy some buffing wheels. You can really buff this up. This is a fantastic product, and there is loads more products on there, but this to me is my universal finish. This is what I use for all my products. So please go and invest in Odies oil. Remember, the slower you go, faster you go. Thanks for watching.